we're going to square a binomial. We have the binomial 5t plus 2 squared. And we have a rule for squaring binomials. A binomial of the form a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now in this binomial, a is 5t and b is 2. So I'll just apply this rule. I have a squared, or 5t squared, plus 2 times a, which is 5t, times b, which is 2. And then finally I have b squared, or 2 squared. And now we just simplify. 5t squared is 25t squared. 2 times 5t times 2 is 20t. And 2 squared is 4. So this is the square of this binomial.